How to contact Shein's customer service. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, launch a browser or open up your Shein application. Search for Shein and tap on the official webpage of Shein. Now make sure that you are logged in to your Shein account. If not, log in to your account. Once you are logged in, now all you have to do is select the Me option at the bottom. From here, under More Services, you will see the option of Support. It is the headset icon. Now you can check out the useful answers or articles by tapping on the category, or if not, you can just tap on Customer Service if you want to live chat with the bot. You can select the pre-instructed prompt so that the bot will answer to your query. For an example, if I select why is there no tracking update, the bot will automatically answer to my query. Now, if you want to manually ask for a query, just type in your query. Make sure that your Shein customer service is available during the time duration of your query. For that, you can check out the customer service and inquire for the availability of the customer service. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.